Good afternoon, students. Today we will study Unit 2, Lecture 7, Organic Chemistry, Heterocyclic Compounds. In heterocyclic compounds, we will study thiophene. Molecular orbital diagram of thiophene. So, you are seeing molecular orbital diagram of thiophene. The structure of thiophene is there. It is a 5-membered ring with S having 2 lone pair of electrons there. And here you are seeing that it is having it is sp2 hybridized, and so there is one unhybridized 2pz orbital which are shown here. So on this sulfur you are seeing one unhybridized orbital, and on 4 carbons there are 4 unhybridized orbital which is having 1 electron each, and on sulfur there are 2 pairs of electrons. One of the electron is in one pair of electron is in sp2 hybridized orbital, and one pair of electron is in unhybridized p orbital. So here we are seeing in the next diagram, we are having that this carbon is binding with hydrogen and a sigma bond is formed there. So 4 sigma carbon hydrogen sigma bonds are formed, and here and you are seeing carbon carbon sigma bond is there, then carbon carbon sigma bond 2, carbon carbon sigma bond 3. So 3 carbon carbon sigma bonds are there, and 2 carbon sulfur sigma bonds are there, and 4 carbon hydrogen sigma bonds are there by the overlap of sp2s. So here you will see how is sp2 hybridization. So in ground state you are having 1s2 2s2 2pz1 2py1, and in excited state 1s2 2s1 2pz1 2py1 and 2px1. Here you are seeing in sp2 hybridization 1s 2s and 2px 2py orbitals hybridized to give 3 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. Green colored are hybrid orbitals, and pz orbital is unhybridized, we are seeing in red color. So this hybridization is there in thiophene molecule. So here you are seeing overlap of sp2 orbital sigma bond, and 3 again 2 more sp2 hybrid orbitals there on sidewise of both the carbon carbon bonds, and here 2pz overlap is there, pi bond is there, and here you are seeing plane of sp2 hybrid orbital. It is a planar molecule. sp2 in sp2 hybridization, it is planar molecule. So thiophene is a planar molecule. So thiophene is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound with molecular formula C4H4AS. The heteroatom is thiophene. In thiophene is sulfur. Here the heteroatom is sulfur. It is sp2 hybridized, that means carbon and all the carbons and sulfur are sp2 hybridized. 3 carbon bond carbon sigma bonds are formed by sp2 overlap. 2 C-S sigma bonds are formed by sp2 overlap. 4 carbon hydrogen sigma bonds are formed by sp2s overlap. Thiophene is aromatic due to delocalization of aromatic sextet of electrons. You are seeing here, see on each carbon there are 1 electron, that is on 4 carbons 4 single electrons, 4 electrons, and on sulfur 2 electrons are there. They are forming aromatic sextet of, that means they are delocalization of electron is taking place and aromatic sextet is formed. So it is due to which it is aromatic in character. 4 carbon pi electrons and 2 unshared electrons donated by sulfur. Stabilization energy of thiophene is 29 kilocalories per mole. Thiophene molecule is planar molecule. See here formation of aromatic sextet is there. So you are having here you are seeing delocalization is shown by 2p orbitals which are unhybridized, and here we are seeing on S one pair of electron is there, and so there are 6 electrons of form, and aromatic sextet is formed. 6 electrons are there, so it is aromatic sextet. Resonance structures of thiophene, we are seeing these are having 5 resonance structures thiophene is having. So it is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound in which sulfur is the heteroatom. In the first figure we are seeing that the lone pair of electron in sulfur is shifting to next, and then that bond is shifted to and negative charge is formed, and in the second figure you are seeing the negative charge is again shifting and the double bond is shifting and you are getting negative charge, and in the third again you are seeing that negative charge is again shifting and the bond is shifting to form negative charge. So as the bond shifts, a negative charge is formed, and as a negative charge shifts, a bond is formed. So next, in the next figure, you are seeing again the negative charge is shifting, and other arrow shows the shifting of the bond, and so negative charge is formed. That means, so it is this type of resonance structures are shown by thiophene molecule. Thiophene aromaticity. Thiophene has 4 carbon and 1 sulfur. All are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar. So it is a planar molecule. It makes a planar thiophene ring structure. Each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond, that is plane of the ring. Here p orbitals are parallel to each other, so overlapping between p orbital is possible. So they are parallel to each other, so overlapping is possible. The total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 4 of carbon and 2 from 1 sulfur atom. We have seen in the diagram. The resonance of 6 electrons follows the Huckel's rule. Hence, thiophene is aromatic. So we have seen in the diagrams that how this is having 4 carbon is there and 1 sulfur is there, and they are all sp2 hybridized. It is due to sp2 hybridization, it is a planar molecule, and so the non-bonding electrons are there. 4 from carbon, single 1 electron is shown on each carbon, and 2 electrons